Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by killing power and confirming there's no voltage at the outlet, safety first. Next, remove the faceplate and unscrew the old jack, keeping screws and wall anchors aside for reuse. If cable is stapled inside the wall, free half an inch of slack and strip the outer jacket carefully so you don't untwist pairs beyond 0. 5-inch, this preserves performance. Once done, verify cable type, Cat 5e or Cat 6, so you choose the correct jack and wiring pattern for consistent speed and reduced crosstalk. You now terminate the cable onto the new jack, because a clean connection determines throughput. Choose T568B or T568A and use the same pattern on both ends. Most home installs use T568B. Lay out the conductors in order, keep the twist as close to the termination as possible, and seat each wire into the slot. Use the punch-down tool to trim and secure in one motion so the conductor seats and excess is cut. Once done, snap the keystone into the wall plate and hand-tighten screws. You finish by testing and documenting so the job is verifiable. Attach a cable tester to the jack and the far end. Confirm all 8 conductors map correctly with no open or crossed pairs. If the tester reads clean, mount the plate, plug in a laptop, and verify link speed to ensure negotiation at expected gigabit rates. If something fails, don't panic. Reopen the jack, restrip about 1/2 inch, reseat the problematic pair with the punch-down tool, and retest. Make sure all screws are snug and label the port for future reference.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.